Hello, brother and sister. Welcome back at my channel. After a longer time, we have back with another session of the Laplace transform of our test form that we are going to proceed as a further that I have talk about in the first two video. If you have not watched, I will give the video link or you can see the after the video. You can check out the description box or so in last video I have talked about the some standard derivation of Laplace transform that have been used the further application of a Laplace transform. Uh, Based on this transform, we have in the Laplace application of differential equation, inverse Laplace transform, and relation between the Laplace transform and Fourier transform. So here I am going talking to further application of a Laplace transform. Now Laplace transform. So first function is cos 80. Please make a note what we have learned in the first two video. So cos 80. So what do we do? From 0 to infinity, we know e to the power st. Find the Laplace transform of cos 80. Okay. So cos 80 is cos 80. Okay. This is can be written as 0 to b. We have seen cos 80. Now limit b tend to infinity. Now we know that 0 to integral e to the power integral ex plus cos bx dx equal to what? Ex. Okay, plus s sin x a cos x cos bx plus b sin bx plus s square plus b square. So here what we get after using this, we get limit b tends to infinity 0 to b e. What will get? Est cos 80 dt. That give us what? Est minus s cos 80 plus a sin 80 upon s square plus s square 0 to b. Limit tend to b tend to infinity, or after you get est b limit b tend to infinity as cos a b plus a sin a b upon s square plus s square. Okay, so here we get minus, after we get minus, that will be plus s by s squared plus s squared. When we put this below, that will cancel, so there will be no value. So now we have to put the value of b instead of infinity, infinity instead of b by taking limit. When we take this limit, okay, when we take this limit, that will give us minus a s square by s square for a greater than equal to 0. Okay, So that's for result. That will be plus. Okay, we have done for scientific. Similarly, for Laplace transform of sin a t is nothing but minus a upon s square plus b square. So Laplace transform of cos a t is what, a by s square plus b square. Laplace transform of f of 1 equal to 1 by s. Okay, what I have done, Laplace transform of f of Laplace transform, we have done this cos hyperbolic t, cos Laplace transform of cos hyperbolic t. What I have done, Laplace transform of cos hyperbolic at, hyperbolic at is equal to s by s square by s square. Okay, Laplace transform of sin hyperbolic at, that will be plus sin hyperbolic a by s square minus s square, what we have also learned from this topic. So next, do for the other question based on the topic. So I have find now we have to find a Laplace transform of Laplace transform of v at t minus 1 by a. Okay, so solution, what can we do? So in solution we can write it Laplace transform of v at t by a minus Laplace transform of 1 by a. Okay, so here a is constant, that will be out separated. We have seen the linear property. So e at t, okay, Laplace transform 1 by a, that will be the Laplace transform. Now what will be the Laplace transform of at? What we know that Laplace transform we have seen 0 to infinity. So please do it, or instead you can do it infinitely. E at t, okay, minus e s t dt. When we put it, that give us s minus a. Okay, so that will be give us s minus a minus, what will be the value? 1 by s. Okay, so taking a is outside, we take it. So s into s minus a, or s into s plus. So here s cancel, a will cancel, that will give us s into s minus. So here what we get, Laplace transform of e at t minus 1 by a is the this. So basically this is the Laplace transform. Now next question, please note down it. I have now to find a Laplace transform, find a Laplace transform of cosine t minus cos t ka whole square. Okay, what we can do in solution? What can I write it? So Laplace transform is what? By completing the square, we get sin square t plus cos square t minus 2 sin t cos t. Okay, so what will be the value? This value is 1. So 1 plus, what is this value? This value is sin 2t. So by using the linear property 1 minus Laplace transform of sine 2t. So okay, so Laplace transform of 1 by 1 का क्या, what will be the value of Laplace transform 1? Now what is the Laplace transform of sine 80? Okay, do you remember? Laplace transform of sine a by t is s by s square plus s square. So here a equal to 2, here a equal to 2, that give us s, okay, s by s square plus 4. So that after s square plus 4 into s, okay, s square plus 4 minus s square, that give us s square plus 4 into s. That is the Laplace transform of s, which is more done. Now, which is quietly done. So after we have done it, so find the Laplace transform of Laplace transform of sine 3t plus cos 2t minus sine 7 sine 15. Okay. So what do we get? So by using the linear property sine 3t plus Laplace transform of cos 2t plus 7 will be outside, so Laplace transform of sine 15t. Okay. So Laplace transform of sine t, what? S by s square plus 3 square. What will be the value? Laplace transform of minus s by s square plus 2 square. That will be changed in minus. So that will change. So what will we get? S square by s square plus 15 square. So this is our Laplace transform. You can do it. So what can I do? Here. That is okay. So we take in s outside, okay, outside the bracket. So s square plus 9, s square plus 4 plus 7 by s square plus 25. Here I am writing it 5. So instead of okay. So what here s, so s square plus 9, s square plus 4, s square plus 25. So here that will give us s square plus 4 into s square plus 25. Okay, here we get s square minus 9 into s square plus 25 plus 7 into s square plus 9 into s square plus 4. After that you will get the result of this. So there is nothing tough in this question. So left for your self. So we have done some important question from the Laplace transform. Now we are going to take the next topic of the Laplace transform. Now I am going to talk about the Laplace transform of a function. Laplace transform of sine at t. So ft is find the Laplace transform of ft. Please remember it. Find the Laplace transform of ft. Okay, where sine t greater than equal to 0 to pi by 2 and cos t greater than equal to pi by 2 less than infinity. Okay, So let t. So okay. So we have to find a Laplace transform for this. So what we can do now? We know that Laplace transform of f of t is nothing but 0 to infinity b infinity e to the power st upon t. Here we have it divided into the two functions. So what can I do? est by, so we break down it 0 to pi by 2, okay, f of t plus pi by 2 to infinity ast f of t dt. Okay, what will be the 0 to b? Ft is sin t, 0 to pi by 2 est upon sin t, pi by 2 infinity est upon t. Okay, what will be the value of integral? What? This is nothing but est upon s square plus 1. Okay, here we get what? Here the a will, what will be the value? 1. So that will be give us sin t. Here s cos t, 0 to pi by 2. Here after that you can integrate it by part st by, that will be plus t. Yeah, what will be the value? Here after differentiation it will be there 1, so that will be plus est by t 0 pi by 2 to infinity. So after calculating you get the result of this question. So there is no more. So we are going to, there is the, based on this question you can solve the easily step function of the Laplace transform, how to solve it. So I hope you enjoy it. So let me the another interesting video of the Laplace transform of the series. So don't forget to share, subscribe for more video. Thank you.